Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer forms from Typeform to HubSpot for better lead UX. Complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer forms from Typeform to HubSpot, start by logging into your Typeform account. Select the form you want to transfer. Click on the Share tab located in the top menu. Copy the public link to your Typeform. Next, log into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Marketing section in the top menu. Select Forms from the drop-down options. Click on the Create Form button. Choose Embedded Form as the form type. In the Form Builder, you'll see a Typeform integration option. Click on Connect next to the Typeform logo. A pop-up will prompt you to authorize the integration. Follow the instructions to link your Typeform account with HubSpot. Once connected, return to the Form Builder in HubSpot. You will see an option to import your Typeform data. Select the Typeform you want to import from the list. Map the fields from your Typeform to your HubSpot form fields. Ensure that all necessary fields are linked correctly. Save your form settings after mapping the fields. Preview the HubSpot form to ensure it looks and feels right. Once satisfied, click Publish to make the form live. To improve lead UX, embed the HubSpot form on your website. Test the form to confirm that submissions are being captured in HubSpot. Monitor the submissions in your HubSpot dashboard regularly. Adjust the form design and settings as needed based on user feedback. By following these steps, you'll enhance your lead capture process and improve the user experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.